Okay, guys, I finally got this tire off. Man, this was a nightmare. Guys, this was a nightmare to get this tire off. I had to let all the air out of it. So I removed the valve stem out of it. I took the valve stem out of it. And I let all the air out of it. I was able to push it down without damaging anything. I'm gonna give me some 3M, guys. I'm gonna paint this while this is off. I'm gonna paint this. Okay, guys, both wheels are off. I just took my vacuum and brush, vacuum all of this stuff out, guys. I cleaned up pretty good. I'm gonna do all of this, the back side. I can get some light in here for you guys. But I'm gonna make all of this look really nice right now, so it can dry overnight. I'm gonna make all this look nice and get the other side too. This should finish the bottom of this car up. This car should never have any more issues. I'm gonna mask those lines off. I don't want to paint those lines, but to get some painter's tape, and all those are just spots. I'll clean all of this out really good. I'm about to make this look really nice. All of this. And we're gonna replace that 5th stud as well on both sides. The tires are huge. So we get it together, guys. I got jack stand on both sides. Safety first. Okay, guys, I've masked up both sides. Let me show you guys what I've done. We're gonna paint all of this, guys. And we're gonna do all of that. We're gonna paint all of that, the back there. I've cleaned all this out, and then we're gonna get all of that. So this is it before I did both sides. So we're gonna do both sides, inner and outer. Let me show you guys what I'm using. I found this on sale, guys. This Duplicolor undercoating. It's paintable. This is the color of both of them. So let's see how it is, guys. It was on sale. It was cheap. This was $6.49 a can. It was on sale, so we're gonna see how good it looks. Okay, guys, done pretty good with it. Need a little bit more. Gonna need some more. Gotta get one more can. I need one more can. So I did that side, but I ran out. Guys. So I gotta get a little bit more, one more can. And it's gonna look good. Okay, guys, I just installed the stud back here. We're good. And the other side. I'm about to pop the drum back on. The brakes look okay, not bad. I'll change them eventually. But I'm gonna put the drums back on and do the seatbelt, guys. And I'm not gonna pop the wheels back on yet because I bought brand new lugs. So we're gonna add some new lugs on here to give it some flair. But yeah, let me show you guys the front cap. So I bought new lugs, so that's gonna finish it off so I can polish these up and it's gonna look nice. But that looks good though, guys. That look good. Okay, guys, the rubberized coating is dry and it looks really good under here. Man, that looks nice. Everything is all good and looking beautiful. Looking really nice, guys. Look at that. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. No more rusting under here. So everything looking all good now, guys. It's really good, man. This thing is ready. So the caps came, guys. I had to order 2 caps that'll fit this size diameter. The front were different. So you're gonna pop the wheel lock on. Got the 5th stud in place on both sides. You're gonna jack it down, and then I'll show you guys that. And I'll tell you guys what we're gonna do next. Yeah, looking good, looking good. Seatbelt will be on today too. Okay, guys, I got the caps on, the new lock lugs and washers. So we're gonna mount these things. Okay, guys, I'm done. The caps and the wheels are on, back aired up. The front, I gotta clean up in here now. Front looking nice. Now we got caps. We looking good, and we back aired up. So now, guys, I'm about to install the seatbelt. And that'll be pretty much it for when I install the seatbelts. That'll be pretty much it for right now for this. Oh, we're gonna weigh it. We're gonna weigh it. That's the next thing, guys. I'm bringing the scale in here this evening. I'm weighing it tonight, guys. So I'm excited to see what Nova Strassi weighs. Stay tuned for that video. It's popping up on the channel. I don't know, guys, but we're gonna see. So subscribe to the channel, guys, if you found this video entertaining. If you like this content I'm providing for you guys, hit that notification bell so you guys be notified when I upload new content. Terrence, I'm out.